Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? Welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I want us to review what we call Apple Airpods, or what you can call Airpods Pro. Yeah, this one came last year, almost 1 year ago, but I want to show you unboxing in 2021. So let's go into it. We say what comes with this one, or if you're not familiar with it. Yeah, so guys, these are the Airpods Pro. As you can see, the size is not big. Yeah, it's small. If I can compare with the old one, or the first generation, you can see this one is a bit long and this one is short. Yeah, so this one comes with a noise cancellation, and they give you also extra. So if you want a small one, this one. So if you have iPhone, you can also use it to check whether the one which fits you well. Yeah, you can change this one, remove this one, and fix this one. Yeah, then again it comes with a cable for charging. Yeah, then for the case, this one is a bit big, but not too big, but it's like the old one. But when you put this one straight, yeah, as you can see. So but this one is also portable, can fit in pocket. Yeah, so guys, this is the Airpods Pro. You can find this one at around $220, yeah, US dollars at market. Yeah, so thank you.